Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ashir Kirk here with Majid Town's Institute of Quran with part 3 of lesson 2. No need for any more intros or, whatever, this and that and blah blah blah. Let's cut to the chase, inshallah. Alright, first one. Noon Alif. Ta Alif. If you want to repeat, you can repeat after me. Ya Alif. Tha Alif. Ba Sin. Ya Sin. Noon Sin. Ta Sin. Tha Sin. Tha Jim. Ta Ha. Noon Kha. Now let's say that straight through. Noon Alif. Ta Alif. Ya Alif. Tha Alif. Ba Sin. Ya Sin. Noon Sin. Ta Sin. Tha Sin. Tha Jim. Ta Ha. Noon Kha. And that's that for part 3 of lesson 3. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I will happily answer any questions that you may have, any questions of clarification or otherwise, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khaira. Until the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.